The path is gone. This forest is too big. We may be lost. What do we do now? The map shows a trail here, but there is no trail. This forest feels strange. I think someone is watching us. This forest looks amazing. It is bigger than I expected. I want to see what is deeper inside. Let us stay on the trail. I am glad we came on this trip. Yes, this adventure feels exciting. We will have many great stories later. I just hope we do not get lost. The forest feels different here. Yes, it is getting darker. I think we are going deeper now. We should watch the trail carefully. The map looks confusing here. Are we still on the trail? I am not completely sure. Let us look around carefully. The trail is gone. I cannot see the path anymore. Maybe we walked too far. We should be careful now. Did you hear that sound? Yes, something moved in the forest. It might be an animal. This place feels very quiet. Emma, maybe we should go back. You want to return already? We cannot see the trail anymore. Let us think for a moment. This tree is very big. It keeps most of the rain away. Maybe the rain will stop soon. I hope so. Sophie, look over there. What do you see? I think that is smoke. Someone might be there. Who do you think lives there? I am not sure. It could be a village. Maybe they can help us. Let us follow the smoke. It might lead to people. Someone could help us. I hope we are going the right way. The forest is very thick here. Yes, it is hard to walk. But the smoke looks closer. We should keep moving carefully. Sophie, look over there. I see something. Those look like houses. There might be people there. It really is a village. Yes, people live there. They might help us. Let us go slowly. Let us watch for a moment. Yes, we should be careful. I wonder who lives here. Maybe friendly people? Look at the children. They are playing. This place feels peaceful. Maybe it is safe here. I feel a little nervous. They look friendly. What if they do not understand us? We will speak slowly. I will walk closer. Be careful, Emma. I just want to say hello. I will stay right here. I think she saw us. Yes, she is looking at us. Let us stay calm. We should be polite. They are coming closer. They look curious. I hope they understand us. We will speak slowly. Hello, we are lost. We walked through the forest. We are trying to find the road. Can you help us?
You walked through the forest?
Yes, we lost the trail.
The forest can be confusing.
We are very grateful for help. You look tired. Thank you for the water. You are welcome here. We are very thankful. This fire feels warm. Yes, it feels safe here. These people are kind. I am glad we found this place. This village is very interesting. Yes, everyone is working. They live close to nature. It feels peaceful here. I was nervous before. Do you feel better now? Yes, they seem kind. I feel safe here. The children are smiling. They seem friendly.
Not there. They are not afraid of us.
You may rest in our village.
Thank you for your kindness.
You are safe here tonight.
We are very grateful. We accept your help.
You are welcome here.
We will remember your kindness. Rest and feel safe. Good morning, Sophie. Good morning. This hut is very simple, but it feels comfortable. The village is busy this morning. Everyone is working. The forest life is different. Yes, it feels peaceful. You can pick fruit here. Thank you for showing me. These fruits are very sweet. This is a good skill to learn.
Carry the water slowly.
I will try my best. You are doing well. It is heavier than I thought. This is how we cook here. It smells very good.
You can stir the pot slowly.
This food looks fresh.
Press the tool slowly.
Like this?
Yes, that is correct.
Emma is learning fast.
Move your hands faster.
I am trying. You are doing well. My hands are getting tired. This game is fun.
Catch the ball! You are very fast.
I like playing here.
This word means water.
Water.
Yes, very good.
You are learning quickly.
Cut the fruit slowly.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
Sophie is becoming a good cook.
The fire is beautiful. Everyone is gathering here. The evening fire brings people together. I like this tradition.
Long ago, the forest protected our people.
This story is interesting.
The forest gives us life.
I like hearing these stories.
This village feels peaceful. I feel safe here. The people are very kind. I am glad we came here. We are learning many things here. Yes, the village life teaches us a lot. I did not expect this adventure. This experience is special. I am thinking about home. Yes, we should return one day. I wonder how we will find the way.
We will figure it out.
This plant is safe to eat.
It smells fresh.
You must pick only the green leaves.
I understand.
The forest is beautiful but dangerous.
What should we remember?
Always watch the ground and the trees.
We will be careful.
Clean water flows here.
The water looks very clear.
Always choose moving water. I understand.
There are many fruits here. Be careful on the branch.
Those fruits are very sweet.
I will pick the ripe ones.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
There was a strange sound.
It may be an animal. I heard something in the forest.
It is only a small animal.
The forest is full of sounds.
Do not worry. This shelter will protect you. The leaves cover the roof.
The structure is getting stronger. You are learning quickly. The forest sounds different at night. I hear many animals. The jungle feels alive. Yes, it is beautiful. The stars are very bright tonight. The sky is beautiful. The forest feels peaceful. I like this quiet moment. I miss home sometimes. I understand. I wonder what my family is doing. They will be happy when we return.
The forest teaches patience.
It feels peaceful here.
The forest gives food and shelter.
We are learning a lot. I feel stronger now. I can carry the water easily. We have learned many skills. The forest does not scare me anymore. The forest looks interesting. It is very big. I want to explore more. Maybe we should stay near the village. I like this forest now. It feels peaceful. The village life is simple. Yes, and it teaches us many things. We should think about going home. Yes, our families may be worried. The tribe helped us a lot. We must thank them before leaving.
This path will guide you.
We will follow it carefully.
The river will appear ahead.
Thank you for helping us. We are ready for the journey. I packed food and water. Take these herbs for strength. Thank you for helping us. Take this food for your trip. Thank you very much. This will help us a lot. The forest will guide you. Will you come back someday?
Maybe one day.
We will remember this village.
We will remember you too.
I will miss this place. The village helped us. I learned many things here. We will never forget it. Thank you for helping us.
You are welcome here.
We learned many things.
The forest teaches everyone.
Our journey begins now. The forest will guide us. We will follow the river, and we will find our way home. The forest feels familiar now. We learned many skills here. We can travel safely. Yes, we know what to do. Hisu, now. The forest feels familiar now. We learned many skills here. We can travel safely. Yes, we know what to do. These berries are safe. The tribe taught us well. We can find food easily. The forest provides what we need. Look, the river! The elder was right. If we follow the river, it will lead us home. The river goes this way. We will follow it. It feels good to move forward. We are getting closer. Look at that road. This means people come here. We are almost safe. Yes, we found the way out. Look, a jeep is coming. This is our chance.
Are you girls okay?
We were lost in the forest.
You are safe now.
Thank you for stopping. We walked a long way.
I will take you to town.
I will remember that village. It was a special place. The people were very kind. They helped us when we were lost. This adventure was amazing. We learned many things. The forest changed us. It made us stronger. Our journey changed us. The forest taught us many lessons. We learned courage, and we learned kindness.